In this video, we will show you how to connect the wand and low-pressure soap bottle to your Greenworks pressure washer. This guide can be followed for all pressure washers below 2000 psi. Connecting the wand. Push the end of the spray wand into the trigger handle and rotate to secure tabs in position. To disconnect, rotate the wand in the opposite way and pull apart. Using the low-pressure soap bottle. For units without an onboard soap tank, a soap bottle will have been included with your purchase. To use the soap bottle, the wand must be disconnected. Once the wand has been removed, push the end of the soap bottle into the trigger handle and rotate to secure the tabs in position. To disconnect, rotate the wand the opposite way and pull apart. If you are using a high-pressure soap bottle, this will be attached the same way as a nozzle. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.